Do you want to know how to change your speed limit on your Eskute bikes? Let me see if I can show you how. Okay, Eskute, programmer, up and down, information button, and this is everything you do. Turn the power on. Make sure she is on 0. Use your plus and minus button, hold them together. Brings up your program screen. Password for the screen is, an up and down button will change your buttons, and the information will go across. 1, 3, 1, 4. Press enter. Takes you into your programmer screen. There's lots of information in here. Do not change all these parameters, because if you change the parameters, the bike will not work and you'll break your bike. But I'm going to quickly show you how to change your miles, your speed limit. So again, we're going to drop down to your speed limit, which is 0.8. Once you're on 0.8p, you can see it's on 16 miles per hour. You can then press your information button, go from 16 to 20. I wouldn't recommend going any more than 30 kilometers per hour. Eskute have told me that this could damage the bike and damage the motor, so it's purely up to you. That will go from 0 to 100. That will go from 0 to 100 kilometers, which is 62 miles per hour, as I've got it set to miles. Again, I'm going to load it back to 16 just for this experiment. If you want to increase it, put it onto the number you require, press your information, it goes back to 0. Let's see how you get on with that. Ciao for now, see you soon. Any other information you want to know about the program or the screens, the display, let me know and I'll see if I can answer it for you. Ta-da, bye-bye.